Hi, I'm Amy Matthews, and for years I have helped homeowners renovate their homes on television. But now I want to take you inside one of my own projects. I bought this 1977 Rustic Rambler in the woods on the bluffs of a beautiful river, and it was ugly. So I renovated it from top to bottom in a modern rustic style, and that was to suit the house and also its surroundings. But I want to take you inside room by room and show you how you can incorporate this style into your space no matter where you live. This week, it's all about the porch, the entryway, and the laundry room. Let's talk about forgotten spaces, porches and decks, entryways, and laundry rooms. Nobody gives them much TLC, but if you pay a little design attention to them, you'll be surprised at the impact that it can make and also the way that you live in the space. A lot of times a deck or a porch are decorated by walking by something in the home improvement store and saying, oh, that'll work, as opposed to considering the design style of the rest of your house. Make it be an extension of your space. It's stunning when you do that. A really fun way to add character to your porch is not by spending a ton of money on decor, but finding random pieces that you love. Flea markets, country fairs, the salvage yard down the street. I got some stuff from my mother-in-law's farm that is absolutely my favorite. They don't have to match, they just add character. Put them all over, plants in them, candles in them, and it's going to be a beautiful space that is completely unique to you. I love the look of natural wood, so if you have wood floorboards and they're weathered and the structure is in good condition, sand them down. You'll be so surprised at how good they look and what you uncover. And remember, you do not have to stain them the same color it was before. Look at it as an opportunity to redecorate the room. A lot of porches are pretty utilitarian. They weren't built with much flair, but it's amazing what a coat of stain and some special lighting can do. And sometimes a little ambient lighting is all you need. No one wants to sit on a bright porch at night. So I added LED rope lighting. Very, very simple addition, and it shines up, so it's an uplight on the new wood that stains. It gives the space a nice warm glow without turning on the bright lights. And it didn't cost much. The entryway in this house was pretty much the eyesore of the space. It was tiny, it was dark, it was cramped. It didn't even make sense to me because it wasn't big enough to be a mudroom. It was like an entrance to your entrance. So I had no idea what I was going to do with it. And I chose the simplest thing. I put in an unexpected light, something soft, something that might go over a dining room table, but I didn't want something heavy and metal hanging over your head when you walked in. I wanted it to be warm and inviting. Then I put a very modern bench in the middle of this cedar paneled space. I love the contrast of the bright white leather and the stainless steel legs against that old wood. I decided to add a large painting. And let me tell you, the combination of the painting, the white leather, the steel, the soft light, and all of the beautiful, now beautiful wood in the room makes an amazing impact as soon as you walk in the door. This house did not have a laundry room, oddly enough. Well, actually there was a washer and dryer, but they were sitting next to the dishwasher in the kitchen, so I knew that that had to go. The only space to put them was a tiny, utilitarian, almost closet. The only thing that was in there was the electrical box. So, how to design that room and how to not spend a ton of money on custom cabinetry. I found 2 furniture pieces for my storage, a lot cheaper than custom cabinetry, and I wanted one of those storage spaces to be my countertop and my sink. I couldn't bear the thought of buying a regular boring laundry tub, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money on it. So what I did was I found an old laundry tub, like a tin bin, and I retrofitted the cabinet to fit the plumbing inside. It was such a simple fix, and now I have a cool, unique piece that's totally functional and adds a rustic flair to the otherwise modern room and really modern appliances. I wanted to bring a natural material into the room, so I decided to have the folding table made of beautiful wood and do something a little different with one of the legs. So I chose a galvanized pipe. All it does is hold up the corner of the folding table, but it's cool. If you're like me, you spend a lot of time in the laundry room, so why not make it look good? Now your forgotten spaces are modern, rustic, and memorable.